your humans to give you treats. Now, watch me, puppies. This may be the easiest trick to learn. You need to master the puppy eyes look. Nobody is safe from the power of puppy eyes. When you are this cute, you get whatever you want. This next trick requires a little effort. All you have to do is to raise your paw and give it to your woman, and the cookie will magically appear. Treat, please. See? It works. They really love this. Bye-bye now. Next time I'll show you other tricks.
Hi everyone! Today's video is dedicated to our lovely furry friends, and I am going to show you how to make your own tasty and nutritious treats that your pup is going to love. This recipe is so simple and easy and only requires a few ingredients and few minutes to make. Let's see what we need. 100 grams rolled oats, 100 grams natural yogurt unsweetened, 1 small can of tuna in water drained, 1 tablespoon finely chopped parsley. Preheat oven to 180 degrees and line a baking sheet with non-stick foil or parchment paper. Place rolled oats in a blender or food processor and pulse until you have a fine breadcrumb-like texture. Add the yogurt, the tuna and parsley and pulse a few more times until you have a soft, sticky dough. Using wet hands, form the dough into balls. Tommy likes small treats, but you can make any sized balls you want depending on the size of your dog. To make them look cute, press your finger gently into the center of each ball to make an indentation. Bake the treats for about 20 minutes or until lightly brown. Store at room temperature or in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Someone is ready for treats. He waited patiently for the treats to bake, and now his patience is rewarded. Just keep in mind that treats are not food supplements and should only be used as snacks and rewards. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.